Forex traders call binary trading gambling, and binary traders call Forex boring. And for years, these two communities have been arguing over which one is better. But today, I want us to put emotions aside and have an honest discussion. If I gave two traders $100 today, one trading binary and the other trading Forex, who would have a better chance of making money? Okay? Which market is easier to learn? Which market grows accounts faster? Which market destroys accounts faster? And most importantly, if you are watching this video right now, which one should you focus on? Let us get directly into it. Now, before we start, let me say this. I've seen traders losing money in binary. I've also seen traders lose money in Forex. I've seen people turn $10 into hundreds of dollars using binary trading, and I've also seen Forex traders make incredible profits. So whenever someone says binary trading is a scam or Forex trading is impossible, I immediately know they don't understand what they are talking about. The reality is much simpler. Both markets can make you money. Both markets can make you lose money. But the real question is, which one matches your personality and your goals, all right? Now, the biggest lie people tell about binary trading. The biggest lie I've had basically is that binary trading is easy, and understand why. Think about it, okay? I want you guys to think about it, like actually, all right? You open your platform, you see over 5, under 5, rise, fall, even, odd. At first glance, it looks really simple. You don't need to calculate lot sizes. You don't need to worry about stop losses. You don't need to understand leverage. You simply predict an outcome, and that is it. Or is it? Wrong. Because simplicity does not mean easy. In fact, I would argue that profitable binary trading requires enormous amounts of discipline. Why? Because of speed. What do I mean? Now, let us imagine you lose a trade. In Forex, you might wait hours before your next setup appears, all right? But in binary, you can take another trade immediately, and another, and another, and another. And before you know it, you have placed 30 trades in one session. This is why so many people actually end up blowing accounts, okay? Not because their strategy is bad, but because the speed of binary trading encourages emotional decisions, okay? The market moves fast, the wins come fast, the losses also they come fast, and emotions become dangerous. And this is something many beginners don't realize until it's too late, okay? Now, why do most beginners love binary? Now, let's be fair. There's a reason binary trading attracts so many people. And because, first of all, it is easy to understand. Now, if I show a complete beginner a Forex chart, they will probably see confusion. Like they will see like, what is going on? They will see candles, indicators, support, resistance, breakouts, pullbacks, leverage, lot sizes. The beginner might get overwhelmed. But if I show them a simple over-under market, they immediately understand what's happening. The lower learning curve is one of binary trading's biggest advantages. A beginner can understand the basics much faster. Okay, and that is why why so many traders start here, right? But now let us switch gears to Forex. Forex is a completely different beast. Forex is slower, more analytical, more technical, and honestly much harder at the beginning. Mind you, I've underlined the beginning. Many people quit Forex before they even understand it because there's so much to learn. Because as I've said, there's so much to learn, okay, in terms of market structure, trend analysis, support and resistance, risk management, economic news, trading psychology, and so much more. And the learning curve is much stiffer, okay? Yeah, but that difficulty usually comes with a very big advantage or a major advantage, okay? Now, where does Forex destroy binary? Forex gives traders something binary cannot, unlimited upside. Now, let me explain. Imagine risking $10 on a binary trade. If you win, maybe you earn 8, all right? Maybe 9. The payout is usually fixed, okay? But now let us look at Forex. A trader risks $10. The market moves strongly in their favor. Instead of making 8, they make 20 or 30 or even 50, sometimes even more. The reward is not capped. There is no limit to how much profit you can make, okay? And that is why many professional traders eventually move towards Forex, okay? The earning potential is much greater. Now, which market destroys accounts faster? Now, here is a question many people don't like, okay? My answer about this question is this: neither. People destroy accounts, not markets. I've seen traders blow Forex accounts in a single day. I've seen traders blow binary accounts in a single hour. The problem is usually the same: poor risk management, revenge trading, greed, and lack of discipline. The market simply exposes weakness that already exists. Okay, so before blaming binary or forex, ask yourself: do you actually have a trading plan? Because that's what separates winners from losers. You cannot just open a chart and start trading like without any plan, without anything. Okay, yeah, you'll be planning to fail there, right? So here's something most traders never think about. Binary trading and forex test different personalities. Binary tests patience and self-control. Binary forex tests patience and display. I repeat, binary usually tests patience and self-control, while forex usually tests patience and display. If you're naturally impatient, forex might drive you crazy, literally. You might get bored waiting for setups, but if you're emotional and impulsive, binary trading can become extremely dangerous because opportunities appear every few seconds and every mistake happens faster. Understanding your personality is more important actually than choosing a market. Okay, now if I had $100 today, okay, and I had to start from scratch, what would I choose? Honestly, I will probably start with binary trading. Not because it's better, but because it's easier to understand. It allows beginners to learn important lessons about discipline, risk management, emotional control. However, my long-term goal will still be to learn Forex at the end, right? More opportunity, because Forex allows more flexibility, more opportunities, and more room for growth as a trader, all right? So for me, binary will be the starting point, but Forex will be basically the destination, all right? The brutal truth is this. Most people asking whether binary or forex is better are asking the wrong question. Okay, the real question is, can you follow a strategy consistently? Can you control your emotions, and can you manage risk properly? Because if you can't do these three things, it doesn't matter whether you choose or whether you're trading binary, forex, stocks, crypto, or anything else, you will still lose your money. And if you can master those three things, you can become profitable in either market. Okay, so now I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you guys. If you could choose one market for the next 12 months, will you choose binary trading or forex trading? Please comment down below and let me know. And if you'd like to make us to make a video for you explaining how successful binary trader can transition to forex, make sure you have subscribed. And again, guys, I appreciate you guys for being here. Please ensure you like and subscribe and share this video if it has benefited you, and it will be highly appreciated. Okay, make sure you comment down below in case you have any question. And again, for those who want to start learning binary, we have all the videos for you on our channel. We have structured them properly. Please ensure you comment down below. We'll be able to guide you on how to move forward from there. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.